Alright guys, I've been longing to make this video a few days now. A few days ago I've been a little busy, but thank God this is the right time to make it. Guys, we hit 1,000 subscribers. This is good news. It's been a long time coming. It's been a long time coming. We made it to 1,000 subscribers. I want to say thank you for subscribing. Thank you to all my returning subscribers and all my new subscribers. God bless you. Y'all made it happen. I've been very tenacious, been really doing this for the kingdom purpose, doing this for God, singing for God, doing a lot of ministries as a young pastor, as a student, and also as a newly married man. Just want to let you know I got married. Today made it 1 month since I got married. So it's been a wonderful experience. He who findeth a wife finds a good thing. That is so true. I'm enjoying it so far. Praise be to God. So new things are happening. I got married. I hit 1,000 subscribers. I just want to let you know that I'm very, very grateful. I'm thankful to every one of you, and I'm praying for y'all every single day. May God bless y'all. May God open doors for y'all. May He cause His face to shine upon you. Keep sharing the content. Keep believing, keep trusting. I know a lot of you are going through a lot of things, but don't worry. God's timing is the best. He will come true for you, and He's gonna open every door. So thank you guys for subscribing. We will keep making content to the glory of the kingdom of God. So don't worry, your spirit will be lifted. You'll be blessed. So thank you one more time. See you in the next video.
Lord, I worship
Bye.
you, Lord. You are undeserved of the praises. You are undeserved of the glory, Jesus.